Hey. Sorry. I got a dirty screen. Hold on. Stay there. I'll be back. Don't move. Oh, Lord. Let me do this. Give it a little clean in there. I'm a dusty guy. I'm dirty, leaves, everything. What's happening, everybody? I hope you're all excited. First of all, let me say this. Congratulations to the number we just hit of 100,000 people that have registered. That, believe it or not, that falls right on the topic I'm talking about. I know I'm not coming on here to answer the millions of questions or things I've been asked for the last couple of days. I just want to give you my opinion. So if you don't want to hear my opinion, you can all leave. That's okay. I'm going to give it to you anyway. And I titled my live today, Pros and Cons, and we're going to get into that. So let's get into it. Number one, hi, everybody. Hey, Willow, good to see you on here, Willow, and everyone else. I'll say hi at the end. I want to try to keep this short because it is Saturday night, and a lot of you probably have plans unlike this kid, but it's okay. I'm making sacrifices. Let's put it that way. All right. So I get a lot of, crazy questions, and my brain doesn't really start thinking clearly of what I want until I'm either riding my bike or doing something I really like to do. And then everything just flows into my brain. And I was riding my bike today, and I was, when I drive, 5 miles one way, 5 miles the other way where I live, there's got to be over 500 businesses. All right. And I ride by them each day, and I'm thinking, man, and a lot of people say, Chris, like when you get into Victory with Ash someday and you learn all about it, what are you going to go for? Just people? And I want to give you my opinion. Okay. I am going to basically go for businesses. And let me tell you why. What's the reason people get into business? They think they're going to get time freedom. They don't have to listen to anybody. They can run the show. But the truth is, a lot of them went and got educated on how to run a business or a company, and it cost them thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get educated, because no one just says, hey, I'm going to start a restaurant. Of course, they study about it. They learn about it. Maybe their background was from it. Free Victory with Ash, just to let you know. We'll get back to that. And then I'm thinking, I seen a kid delivering, dropping out packages, and I thought about Uber. So I did a little research on Uber, and what I found out, which is pretty amazing. Do you even know how Uber was started? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I'm surely going to tell you. It was started because a guy couldn't get a cab. That's how actually it was started. In 2009, that's how it happened. He couldn't get a cab, and he thought about this, and it turned into, let me get my stats here. Hold on. It turned into a idea that went to like an $80 billion venue. It's the largest ride-sharing company worldwide with over 180 million monthly active users and 6 million active drivers and carriers around the world, globally. So that was from 2009. And then Ash just pops up this 100,000 people have already came into this. I think October 30th, Julie and Susie told me we started. And what's today? I don't know, the 6th or 7th. This is a few days, folks. A few days. Okay. 100,000 people, and it's still going. Everything is like working beautiful. All right. And why I'm telling you this is because this is how I think. Remember, this is how I think. You could think on your own, but I think I'm trying to help you out a little bit. Every business owner that I drive by every day, I'm thinking in my head, I see help wanted signs, or I see less cars in their parking lot. And in my mind, I'm thinking, maybe they're not doing so good. So, Chris, why wouldn't you go talk to this individual that runs this company or this business? A lot of mom and pop shops, little factories. Why wouldn't I go in there and talk about Victory from Ash? See, to me, how I think, any business owner that's pretty smart, halfway smart, I don't know, is going to want to know when I explain, you're going to be able to learn how to run a business, maybe marketing. I don't know what's in there, but I look at it this way: is every business owner that I'm going to talk to, I'm going to direct him to Victory with Ash, period. Because I believe they're going to say, you know what? The first thing they're going to say is, how much is this going to cost me? We all say that. How much is this going to cost me? Well, sir or ma'am, it's absolutely free. You can get in there. You can learn. I believe it'll improve your business. I believe it'll improve your lifestyle. And this is one of the questions I get asked a lot. Chris, what are you going to do? I'm giving you a little hint because you know what? I'm not selfish by any means whatsoever. There are millions and millions of businesses throughout the world. Whether they're big or they're small, they're out there. And why wouldn't me? If I was a big business owner, even small, I would say, you know what? I can learn something new and it doesn't cost me a dime. Not going to hurt me. Hey, and maybe it might even my business off even better, and then explain about the other business. All kind of crazy things I think about. But this is how you take back to the Uber. This guy went from 2009 from just an idea. Cabby, you cab, nothing. And he thought of this like instantly. So what did he do? He designed Uber. Now hear me out. This guy was a genius, okay? He thought of a business that was in need because he couldn't find a cab. And then he said, how can I do this without, a big startup and all that? And this is how I'm thinking he's thinking. This is me. I could get people to use their own vehicles, which I don't have to pay for. I don't have to pay for their insurance. I don't have to pay for their maintenance, their tires, because I say pros and cons. The pros of it, yes, there's people on here right now I know that do Uber. It came along and it went from big numbers to one person to $6 million people doing it a year. Okay. And then I weighed out the pros and cons again. Okay, they're making money. And I thought about, well, yeah, you got to think about there is an expense, gas, wear and tear on your car, and it puts the responsibility all on you. And this is how I think is like, all right, I know people, this has helped. And this one idea helped a lot of people. No doubt about it. You got Uber Eats. I mean, everywhere I go now, they have a delivery system. Why? Number one, it's helping customers out. Maybe they're senior citizens. Number two, their employees are getting paid by the hour, but they're using their vehicle. And if any business owner that does trucking, deliveries, realize how much money they have to invest and put into their vehicles every year to keep them up to date, think about it. This guy was a genius. This is the way I'm thinking about Victory with Ashes. Okay. I'm thinking we're going to go in there. We're going to learn something brand new. How I look at it. For me, it's going to be brand new. And I don't know everything that's in there, but a free course to learn something that maybe no one else has ever seen before, or educated. I think any business owner out there would say, you know what? I'm interested. Why wouldn't they be? You don't go into business to lose money. You go into business to earn money. All right. And if you could go and learn something new that will improve your business, whether it's marketing, which a lot of companies don't even know how to do. I've seen that. But think about it. The ability to go to a free platform, Victory with Ash, and get in there and learn all kinds of things. This is what I'm doing. This is who I want to promote. All right. Because the businesses around me I'm surrounded by business. I'm also surrounded by people, and I'm using the pros and cons there again. Yep. I'm going to think about people that I know would want to learn. Very, very good. You don't really want to look at someone that, I'm not interested. If a guy comes up to me and I say, Chris, or hey, Bob, Chris, no, I'm not interested. I'm walking away from him. I'm not going to waste my time. But to the business owners, I will be knocking on doors. That's what I'm going to do. All right. I will be writing some nice stationery out to actually put in their mailboxes, explaining to them about Victory with Ash. This is exciting, guys. 100,000 people registered in 6 or 7 days. And we just got started. These are like unbreakable. These are breakable records that we're doing right now. And you got to really think about how exciting this is. Now, 100,000 people today. All right. Tomorrow, who knows? But there's so much room for so much more. I'm not going to talk about all the other stuff that's going on right now. I want you to get excited about who's going to need Victory with Ash, what they're going to learn from it. And this is kind of the way I'm trying to explain it to people right now is, there's something brand new coming, a new platform. It's a learning platform. It's an educational platform about many things. But I believe in my heart, and I don't know this 100%, but I do, that it's going to improve people's lives, their businesses, their personal, whatever he's going to have off there. And the greatest thing, it's free. I'm going to keep using that. There's not many things in this world that are free, but this is one of them. You walk up to any business owner and ask them what they spent to start their business, just on their education. And then ask them about how much it costs for their building, and then to hire people and to pay insurance out. It's a lot of money. I believe Victory with Ash is going to teach us all of this. I don't think it's I don't see anything wrong. People say or negative about this. I'm like, it's free. How much you pay your kids college? Think about that. All right. You paid 4 years of college and they're engineers. And what are they doing? I'm betting they're driving Ubers right now. You see what I'm saying? When something new comes into the system and it's working, people are going to flock into this company. It's already proven right now what we're seeing. How many people are flocking into this? Privately, of course, introduced, but it's working. Do you understand this? This is working. And Ash Bafar is just a genius kind of guy that put this all together. And everything is like, a fine oiled machine right now. It's flying. I'm excited to wait for the next 5 hours. And I'm going to stay up just to see maybe he's going to make another announcement of how many people are getting in. But I know this from the millions of calls I'm getting daily. People are fired up. They're excited. And they do ask me questions like, how are you going to do it? I believe, this is my personal opinion, I believe in Victory with Ash. That's where you're going to learn how to do all this. I'm only going by what I'm thinking right now, who I want to talk to. But guess what? Imagine my ability when I go into Victory with Ash someday and I learn everything I need to do, where they're going to teach us how to talk to people maybe on the outside of this company, how to talk to business owners, how to talk to people. That's what I need skills with. And I'm so looking forward to finding and learning those skills in Victory with Ash. Now, and I'll say it again, Ash even knows that I am the slowest learner possible. But you know what? If I don't go in there, he says it's going to be a blast. I'm going to have fun, Chris. You're going to love this. All right. But if I don't at least try, if I don't even go in there, I think I'm the dumbest guy in the world. Okay. And business owners the same way. That's how I'm going to let them think. You got to at least check it out, man. You got to check it out. This could explode everything in your life in a good way. So this is my opinion. Okay. I see the numbers growing constantly. Constantly. And I'm telling you, I'm fired up and I want to get you guys fired up. Okay. Everything is happening perfectly. It's a perfectly oiled machine. It's going well. I know lots. Oh my God. My phone is going off the hook right now, but let me tell you something. I am so excited to learn something that I've never been taught before. And I believe I'll be able to take this to the world globally, anywhere I want. And I don't have to worry about flat tires, oil changes, brakes going bad, parts of my car falling off, because I'm not going to be doing deliveries, man. I applaud Uber. That guy was a genius. And I know a lot of you are driving Uber. Uber Eats, Uber. It's huge. But guess what? That's Julie's favorite word lately, huge. Right, Julie? Listen, this is going to explode. It already has. And it's going to keep exploding because of individuals like you looking for the right people, understanding what they're looking for. It's really easy when you talk to someone one-on-one to understand what they're really looking for. I'm looking forward to the conversations that I'm going to have with business owners and what they think. And I believe that everyone in this world is going to go crazy for this, just like Uber back in 2009. But I think we will break more records and more every single day, more records, more people are going to come in, because this is the excitement of this new bridge, Victory with Ash, that's going to take us into a new business, but it's also going to teach us about business in general, to my opinion. So I don't want to stay long. What time is it? I love you all. Please stay excited. Congratulations again to 100,000. 100,000 in a 6 days, 6 or 7 days. Think about it. 6 or 7 days, 100,000. Imagine in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. And then imagine when the learning starts, how much it's going to grow, because you're going to be educated on what you can do, how you should do it. This is my opinion. I don't know this, but I'm excited. Are you excited? All right, let me say hi to a couple people. Hey, James Hawkins. Melanie, how you doing? I said hi, Elizabeth. Raphael, there you are. To tell the truth, you know it, Raph. You know it. John White, my man, what's happening? Probably, Bill might be sleeping right now. Donna Hamlin, how you doing? Dr. Masagio, booyah! You know what I'm talking about. Lori Lund, boom, go. You guys are doing this great. Congratulations for doing it the right way. All right, that's what Ash Mafar is doing. He's doing it the right way. And I'm not going to talk about all the other stuff. Get excited. Start thinking about a plan, because when you learn how to do it, your plan's all going to come together, and he will educate us all. I love you all. Hi, Lystra. Eric Kessler, what's up, my man? Diane, what's happening? Trombley. Gianna, how you doing, Gianna? Vavina, what's happening? There you are, Willow Griffith. It's good to see you. I was just talking about you the other day. I was always worried about you. I'm always worried about all you guys. Claire Nolt, John Barua, thank you for my admins. Madoop, Cynthia Deering, Gwen, let's get this going. Let's do it right. Let's find the right people. Let's get people fired up. Let's get people education that is going to help everyone. Welcome to Victory with Ash. I love you all. God bless. I will see you when I see you. You never know with me. And everyone that's doing the lives, I've been watching them. Way to go. Because you know what you're doing? You're talking individuals. You're bringing the attention to yourself, because those are the people that you're going to want to talk to. Keep doing what you're doing. Okay? Don't stop doing it. A lot of you have come out of your fear zone and you're kicking butt, getting the proper message out. Why you're doing it? Why? I mean, it's there. I could give you a million examples of companies that started from one idea. Okay? That still cracks me up. I couldn't get a cab, so I decided to make a business out of it. All right? Ash Mafar, I think he said, there's so many things wrong out there. I got to fix this and I got to do something about it. That's how I look at it. I love you all. We'll see you later. Have a great weekend. I think it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. It's supposed to rain in Michigan, but stay excited. Pay attention to your OES. Pay attention to the posts that we're making lately about what's happening. The numbers are growing, and just stay plugged in. All right? Because I believe everyone is going to get into Victory with Ash. And remember, we said number 100 millionth. You're going to learn exactly what anyone else that's getting in there is going to learn. And we are going to blow this world up with the greatest education I believe we're ever going to see. And it's free. God bless you all. Happy birthday if you got a bath day. I need a bath day. And we're praying for you constantly. Keep all those countries, the Philippines, Jamaica, in your prayers. They did get hit with some very nasty weather. We have a lot of family and friends over there, all of us together. Keep them in your prayers, and everyone else is on the prayer list. I love you all. I got to go. We'll see you later.